I will be showing you how to cook this food. I wanted to uh, to make some carnitas and just buy the tortillas, you know, and pickle some onions and that. But guess what happens? No, I can't do that because they only sell carnitas here at 7 at night. 7 at night. So it's okay. We won't have carnitas, but I got chicharron here, and I want to show you. Here, the chicharron. Here, see, chicharron. So it has the pork skin, and it has also the meat, lots of meat. I'll show you in a little bit, okay? So don't go away. Please don't go away. I had to put my hair up because you know you never know about hair. This is the knife. Look at this set. Look, this is the set. How much is it? I am recording. How much is the set?
150 pesos.
150 pesos, guys. Look at that nice set and pink, beautiful color. I like it.
I thought that was a cover. It actually is pink.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
So now I will be chopping this. This is for taquitos. You can put it close here so that you see. I will going to dice it in little squares. Like I said, I wanted to have look at that, guys. Wow, so good. Yeah. Okay. See, we got this ready to go. See, like a machine, guys. Okay. You want it very nice and soft, I mean very small. Then we're going to do this one. Let me do this. Put this over here. Add it on to the tomatoes. Okay, this we're going to chop the other one. I was going to make 2 onions, but I won't because these guys are hungry, so it's not going to take too long, you know, the food. So this is if you don't have carnitas, you can use this. That's why it's not cutting all the way through, you know, right? Because my cutting board is not completely flat. My cutting board has like a little, like a U, like a dent on the middle. So the knife is not going all the way through. So there we go. See? There we go. And see? Guys, you just move it around, push it around like this. See, it's not going all the way through because of the dent on the cutting board. But what you can do is take it out and do it again. Do it on the flat piece. Maybe I have it upside down, maybe? I don't know. Something is wrong with this cutting board here. So, that's it, guys. So, now we're going to have the onions, the peppers, and the sour orange. These are the sour orange. This is looks almost like a sweet orange, but it's not. It's in Mexico, it's very well known as sour orange, naranja agria. So it's we use it usually for escabeche or to pickle stuff. It's not completely acidic. It's not very sour. It's a little, okay, you know how to cut an orange. You see the eye is here and the butt is here. So you cut in the middle just like a line. I've seen people that they make a mistake and they usually cut the other way, but it's not the way. So now you go like this, and because it has lots of seeds, see? Everything is organic, guys, here in Mexico. So because of the seeds, you put your fingers like this and you sift. See, your fingers are going to be the sift. See, then you go like this, and the seeds stay on my hand. There we go again. When you squeeze these oranges, make sure that you're on a length far away from your work because of the sumo. What's sumo in English?
I have no clue.
Okay, see, when you squeeze and whatever comes out from here stays on your hand and comes out when you squeeze it, that's sumo. I don't know what's the name of it In Spanish it's called zumo. Is Z-U-M-O, zumo. So this is it here. Squeeze it good, you squeeze it good. And all the juice, look at that. So much juice. I think you're moving the camera too fast. No. So there we go. Squeeze another one. I'm only going to squeeze these ones for now because I want them to pickle the onions with the tomatoes first, and then we're going to throw it. We're going to throw it in the garbage. Okay, so guys, I have here a little bit of spices. This one is called the consomme. We use it a lot, so we're going to be squishing it a little bit here. Look, just to give a little flavor to the food. A little bit. I'm gonna place this over here because I don't know where to put it. We have salt here, compliments of our how you said, the guy that owns it, our
host, I guess.
Host, yeah, our host. So we're gonna put some salt. The salt is not coming out much, so don't believe it's gonna be really salty, guys. It's not gonna be salty. I know how to do it, but maybe I could take it out bigger here. Okay, there comes out better, so I can know exactly. So see, there we go. 1, 2, and 3. This saves a lot. Ha. Okay, there we go. So we move it around. See? Like this. Then it's going to be the cilantro first. My cilantro. The cilantro, you know why I'm doing the cilantro before I do the peppers? Because I don't want to get it on my hands. So you cut the long strings like this from the cilantro that you don't need. This you don't use. And you put it in the garbage. You wash it, wash it because you know it has dirt or whatever. But I don't see it, but you still have to wash. Okay, and then you go to the ugly cutting board. Maybe I should turn it around or something. Sure?
Maybe.
Yeah. I'll do it like this, and then I will see. Okay guys, don't worry, my finger is fine. I don't like the cilantro chopped very fine. I like it a little bit of, but we know it's cilantro, you know. I don't really want to kill it completely. So there we go, cilantro. And I'm going to be doing the habanero. I will be putting only one, guys, because I know here the habaneros are very okay, you know what I'll do? I'll turn this around because for this I need it chopped fine. So okay, so I'll turn it this way. First you cut it in half. Let me smell it. My God, it's really, my mouth is watering. It's
Ooh, I
really,
smell it right here.
You smell it? Okay, so now guys, you go like this, your hand like this, and you're going to chop. Don't touch it with your hands, okay? Because this is like very dangerous. Oh, this is going to be way too hot. Should I put the whole habanero or should I put only half?
Maybe half. It smells very spicy.
Very spicy. Yeah, we'll put only half and then we will
You can always add the next half.
add
if
the
it's
next
not.
one. Yeah, exactly. So I will be doing that because I don't want us to get sick from this. You never know. Maybe we get cramps, so I don't know. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in town, so this, see, very fine, guys. Can you see? Very fine. See, very fine. So I'm going to be throwing half of it here, half of a habanero, guys. Not all of it, because not all of it. I will be placing the other bit here. This is a Airbnb, guys, so don't I don't have much stuff here. So this is the side that has the pepper. So you want to rinse it off like that. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. You rinse it off better than that. Okay. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll put some soap and wash it off completely because I don't trust I don't trust myself with this pepper. Okay, so now comes the fun part, guys. The fun part about this, let me rinse it better. Now you add the chicharron meat. See, this is the pork. See, this is how I closed the doors, guys, because there was a lot of flies since there's no screen there and I cannot cook with flies. So this is what you do. You cut it fine as you can over the pot, because since it's a little hardish, but it's good. You go like this. This is the easiest thing. Otherwise, if you do it with the knife, you're going to be throwing it everywhere. It's going to be going. So you just go like this. You break it. I won't put a lot of it because, like I said, it's a little hard and you don't want a lot of this in here. But with the lime and with the sour orange, it will be fine. So we're going to, I wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. See? Like that. Like that. I think I won't put more of that stuff, but I will be putting I give me too much of this. Let's put that on our one. So this is the skin of the pork that is deep fried. And how is it in English?
Pork skin.
Pork skin, no, but when it's cooked already, what is next?
Pork rinds.
Pork rinds, yeah, that's the word, pork rinds, guys. So this is what we do here. And we have the meat. This is what I want, the meat. So we're gonna cut it smaller. The guy says, you want me to chop it for you? I said, sure, but you know, it's a little big chunks. I don't like too much big chunk because when you make a taquito, it's not very pleasant for your tortilla to break. So we do this. Actually, I should have told him to leave it whole. I could have done a better job, but that's okay. The guy was very fine, very nice, very, very friendly. He actually sold me this for 280 pesos for the kilo of pork. Chicharron, that's already cooked. 280 pesos the kilo, and a kilo, you know, a kilo is a lot of meat. Except if when they give you that stuff there, the dry skin, then you know it's not going to weigh much. But it's fine. There's a lot of meat here, so this is going to be for the taquitos. Because we're going to be making taquitos of chicharron. Taquitos de chicharron. So here at the new experience cooking for the first time on the Airbnb. Airbnb in Mérida, Yucatan. So now more meat here. need. You could pass it already. Otherwise, it's gonna.
Cool.
Okay, so guys, I have black pepper. Black pepper on the bag. Look at this. So you put a little bit because just for the taste, because it already has heat, you know, from the pepper, from the habanero. So now this is how it's going to look. Look at that. See, we're going to be making tacos out of this stuff here, and we need someone to come and you know what I want? I want a beer while I am making this. Maybe my videographer can pass me a beer. Let me see. Woohoo! Wow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cheers, guys. Nothing like a superior in our first superior in our Airbnb. So good. So good. Very good. So this is the end of the food. Look at this. What do you think? You guys,
Good.
looks good, yeah. And I believe it's good of everything. So let me see. I'll put a little bit here. It needs a little bit of more of salt, but I think I will leave that like this. And if they need salt, they will add. But I think it's perfect. Dr. Vlogs, do you want to come and examine one? Taste one? Oh guys, and this is a kilo of tortillas that you get here for 26 pesos. 26 pesos a kilo of tortillas. Let me make Dr. Vlogs one of the taquitos so he can try it. He likes the tortillas, the
Yellow corn.
yellow corn, yes. So this is how you're going to be making taquitos. This I will have in the middle of the table, and then he can put as much he wants. But I am just serving so you guys can see. Look at this. Here you go, my baby.
Thank you.
Let me hold your beer.
Let's try this out.
Okay, put that there. You can sit or you can stand. Just be careful with the juice because we have to be cleaning everything, guys. No made here.
Cheers, guys.
Okay. Tell me if it's good or salt and everything.
Wow.
Is it no? Is it hot, spicy, or
Yeah, not spicy, no?
oh, really? It needs more pepper.
Need more pepper.
Oh, okay, so I'll
Good,
put the
otherwise
one
not.
habanero. The salt is fine.
Mm-hmm. Good stuff, guys. Welcome to Mexico.
See, guys, that's it. That's it. So yay! So I'm going to put this here. He says it's not that hot, so I'm going to put it the other half of the habanero, and we are going to eat our lunch.